I'm going to show you how to make the wire photo holder for the lid photo frame. What you want to do is have about 20 inches of wire or less, about 15 to 20 inches, depending on how big your lid is. You want to hold the wire there, leave a little bit of excess that you're going to use that to wrap in a minute. You go around the marker 2 times to meet back up with this excess piece. And then you're going to take that excess piece and wrap it around the long wire 2 times. It's depending on the gauge of your wire, it could be a little hard to do this, but you could use a point-nose plier to help you get it around. And then you could just use the point-nose plier to squish it together so it makes a nice round circle. You could also use the pliers to make it up like that too. So sometimes taking it off, but there is kind of what you want that to look like. See that? This is where your photo is going to go in here. Okay, the next part you want to do is you want to lay what you just made out on the knob and make this little point, the little where you have it wrapped, put that at the center of the knob. Hold it in place and then push the wire under the knob right there. So it kind of goes in there. And then while you're holding this down, take the wire and wrap it around as tight as you can around the knob of the lid. Wrap it around twice and it will end up in the back. It's where you want it to end up. And you can just cut this or you could wrap it around neatly or whatever, but what I just do is I just cut it and tuck it in. So I'm just going to cut it, keep it easy, and then I use the pliers to pull it tighter just to make sure everything's tight and secure. And then just go like this with your pliers to squeeze that in there, make it look more finished. So then you have it look like that, and then you just pull this photo right up there in the center. So there's how you hold your scent. And if it's not secure, you can always just tighten it up with the pliers again, wrapping the wire, making sure the wire is wrapped really tight around this knob, and that will hold this part into place.